Hi everyone, I am Stegy Majo. Welcome to schoolquiz.com. Today we are going to discussing about distillation and fractional distillation. The two methods are used to separate mixtures. First one we are going to discuss is that distillation. What is distillation? Distillation is the method of separation of two miscible liquids. Separation of two miscible liquids. They does not undergo decomposition while boiling and they have sufficient difference in their boiling points. Okay. For that we take a standard flask and fill it with the mixture. When we apply heat to the standard flask, the mixture began to vaporize and vapor passes through a tube and the tube is also connected to the condenser. The water passes through out of the tube. So it is cooled. The cool liquid passes through a reservoir and we can collect from the reservoir. This is the method we used in distillation. We can see the apparatus arrangement. First we take a standard flask that is filled with the mixture and this attach it to a stand. The standard flask is connected to a thermometer and it also connected to a tube. Here the mixture we take in a standard flask and it's also connected to a thermometer. When we apply heat to it, the mixture began to vaporize. The vapor is passes through this tube. The ice cold water is passes around the tube. So it cools down and the liquid or the separated component is passes through the tube and back to the beaker. This is the method of distillation. Here we take acetone and water mixture. The boiling point of acetone is 56 degree and water is 100 degree Celsius. There has sufficient change in their boiling points. Such mixtures can separate through this process. This is the simple process and low cost process. But we can only use the mixtures that have sufficient difference in their boiling points. Okay, this is the method of distillation. For this acetone water mixture, we can separate acetone from the mixture. Why? We apply heat to the mixture, the acetone starts to vaporize at 56 degrees Celsius and the acetone vapor passes through the tube and condense and collect to the beaker. This is the method. Okay, this is the distillation method. we going to discussing about fractional distillation. What is fractional distillation? The fractional distillation is almost similar than the distillation process. There is only difference in the apparatus arrangement that on the fractionating column is added to the settings. Okay. We say that in the distillation process they have much sufficient difference in volume terms. Sometimes it may not be applicable. That means the miscible liquids have no such sufficient difference in their boiling points. At below 35 Kelvin, we can use fractional distillation method. Okay. We take the mixture in a distillation standard flask and this attached to a fractionating column. And the fractionating column that also attached the thermometer. Here the fractionating column that is filled with glass balls. The glass balls gives surface for give surface to the vapors to repeat evaporation and condensation for pure components. Here the evaporated vapor passes through the fractionating column. Here repeated evaporation and condensation occurs. The vapors passes through the tube. Here the condensation, this is the condenser. It cools down the vapors and it changes state to liquid and collect to the beaker. This is the fractional distillation method. Okay. The fractional distillation method we commonly use it for separate gases from air. We can discuss about that. How we can separate gases from air. For that we apply pressure to the air and decreasing temperature we get liquid air. First the air is passes through a compressor. The air passes through the compressor. Here the pressure is high. Then the cooling processes occur. Cooling processes occur here. The air is on cooling. The air is in the liquid form. Here the liquid air passes through a separator. dioxide, that is dry ice is separated here. Further, liquid air passes through an expansion jet and this is passes through a fractional distillation hall. It is through expansion jet the liquid air passes through the fractionating column. Here, slowly warm up the air. The liquid air transferred to again in the vapor state. So we can here separate the different gases at different level. Here at the below we can collect the oxygen, liquid oxygen. What is the process? First we air compress the air and cool the air, we get liquid air and this passes through a separator. This is the separator. Here solid carbon dioxide, that is dry air, is separated here and it is passes through expansion jet and fractional distillation column. Slowly warm up the air. Here repeated condensation and evaporation occurs. When according to their boiling points we can separate the gases at different heights. Then oxygen has the highest boiling point, so we can collect as a liquid form. Okay, this is the method of separation of oxygen from air. The different gases we can separate in this through the same method at different heights. According to the height is depending on the boiling point of the gases. Okay, this is the separating method of oxygen from air. So we discussed today that is distillation and fractional distillation and how we can separate liquid oxygen from air through fractional distillation method.